I'm going to make for you today a smoothie bowl. I call it berries for beauty. Now, berries do make us beautiful, but let me tell you how this works. Because these are antioxidants, I want to make sure we're getting them in. So I'm going to start off with an almond coconut milk. I'm going to put that in first. Okay, you can always add more depending on how thick you want it. And now I'm going to add in my berries. You can use any kind you want. I'm using raspberries, I should say blackberries, blueberries, whichever one you like. And strawberries. Lots of kids love the strawberries. So we're going to fill those up with all this beauty. Okay. And then we're going to add our bananas. Now the bananas are going to give it a little bit of sweetness without making it too sweet. We did freeze the bananas so they're nice and frozen. And just to give it a little sweetness, we're going to add dates. Now, depending on what your taste buds are, and you can add as many as you want. I'm going to put 4 in here. It's up to you. And now I'm going to put my ice. Let's put a little bit of ice in there. That's going to make it more like a smoothie bowl or ice cream if you will. Okay. Now, I can tell we're probably going to have to add a little bit more milk in there, which is okay. So let's get it on. Let's turn it to smoothie. Let's go. See, I'm using a high power blender. This is a Vitamix. Whatever blender that you have will work, obviously. So if you put it on smoothie, it'll make it really, really creamy. But if you put it on ice cream or dessert, frozen dessert, it'll make it more like a smoothie bowl. Now, I want to put a little bit of the oils in there because I like to take it up a notch. So I'm going to put a little bit of lemon in here because it always brings out the flavor of what you're using. Now I'm going to plate this up for you, and just in case you didn't know, the things that I'm using are organic. We have organic, of course, fruits, and we also have fresh granola. Now you can make it fresh yourself or you can buy it. Just make sure that you do watch the ingredients. So I'm going to plate this up and enjoy. How nice and luscious this is. You can do this for breakfast. You can have it as a dessert, or you can have it whatever you like. But the best thing to do is to make sure you have it to get your antioxidants in, because they're great for your skin. They're what our body needs to be beautiful, live long and strong. And I'm going to top it off with a few toppings. I'm going to put the berries on there. Okay. You can also put chia seeds, hemp seeds, any of those things, just to bring in a little bit more nutrition, your omegas. And of course, I'm going to add some granola in there. I like a little crunch in mine. Or you can put nuts, whatever you like, coconut, pecans, whatever you like. And there you have it. That is our berries for beauty.